Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to design non-destructive masks with mask overlay. Create an initial selection and enter the Select and Mask workspace. Turn on Mask Overlay mode to visualize edits clearly. Refine the mask using the brush tool without deleting any pixels. This approach ensures your original image stays intact. Use edge refinement controls to balance softness and clarity. Zoom in to verify details and consistency. Always output the result as a layer mask instead of a direct cutout. Non-destructive masking allows easy adjustments later, so use this workflow